It's on.
Okay. So on the back of the blind, on the bottom two rows of rod pockets only, you have these breakaway connectors which release if a certain amount of pressure is applied to them. And if this should happen to your blind, when you try to pull the blind up, you will find that only the top section of the blind is now folding and the bottom section is laying flat because these breakaway clips. What you'll also find is that on the next section, the toggles that should be on the cords are stopping the cord from going up any further and getting lost into the headrail, which is good news. What we now need to do is get the cords back down so that we've got enough length there to reconnect them. So we're going to just pull the chain back in the other direction. Until we have enough lengths on the cords. And it should now be quite easy to find the loose clips. Put them back onto the connectors. Just do a push there. This one and the second one. And we will still have one last one on this cord. Now that should enable us to operate right.